designers, Lauren here. In this training, we are going to explore two powerful tools built right into the embedded whiteboard, Table and Concept Map. Both of these tools are great for organizing information visually and supporting student understanding. Let's get started with the Table tool, which is perfect for creating charts and organizing information visually. Tap the three horizontal dots at the bottom left-hand corner of your whiteboard toolbar. From the menu that appears, select Table. A grid will appear. Use the up and down arrows to select the number of rows and columns you need. Once you've selected what you'd like, click on Add at the bottom to insert it into your whiteboard. Now, let's customize your table. To edit the table, if you long press on it, a sub-menu will appear below with several options here. You have Insert or Delete Rows, Copy, Cut, or Paste the table, and delete the table entirely. You can also change the table's color by tapping on the color selection at the bottom here. Once your table is set up, you can write directly on it by using the available writing tools. Choose the style and font that works best for the lesson you're teaching. And just like that, you've created a table to work with your students. Now, let's explore the Concept Map tool, an excellent feature for visually organizing ideas, vocabulary, processes, or even brainstorming with your class. Tap the same three horizontal dots here on the left-hand corner of your whiteboard toolbar. From that menu, you will select Concept Map here. A central idea box will appear on the screen. Tap inside that box to type your main topic. Tap once to select and tap again to type. There we go. That on-screen keyboard will pop up for you to use. So let's walk through an example of brainstorming fruits with a kindergarten class. So once you've tapped on the box and you've selected to type, you're going to type in the text that you desire. Just like this. To add subcategories, tap on the box that you'd like to expand and choose the direction in which you want the new box to appear, like this. And let's say I want to add on a subtopic out here. Remember, to type in the box, you simply tap to select, and then tap the text again to edit. Tap the box to select, and tap it again to edit. It's as simple as that. To customize the font or color, long press on the box, and you'll see a sub-menu pop up here to select your preferences from the menu that is provided. Just like that, you've made a concept map with your students that you can expand upwards or across depending on the topic that you all are discussing. This tool is great for showing cause and effect, parts of a story, steps of a process, or even pre-writing activities. These two tools, the table and concept map, can really enhance the way you organize content and engage your students. Now it's your turn. Explore and make the whiteboard your own. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.